Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and to this video and to Inktober with me. Today we will be drawing a potion bottle, and I do have here a little cute one bottle. There you go, see? I took that as an inspiration to paint a potion, and I did do a couple of sketches drawings here, but I will of course adjust that a little bit when we start with our inking. And I will just place that here for the reference. Little cute bottle. Oops. So for today also, as on the previous videos and Inktober drawings, I will be using this sketchbook. This is a Hahnemuhle sketchbook. You have a link to my Amazon shop Amazon store down in the description box, and you will find there all the affiliate links of mine, including the link for this sketchbook. And also I will be using some ink pens from Etcher. I do love those. They are in a set of 16, so a lot of ink pens, different ink pens for every single purpose. Also, you can find it in my Amazon store. Just grab yourself some pencil, eraser, and we can get started. So as you can see, this is somewhat in the shape of an oval. So I will do an oval and I will curve it slightly. I won't do it like that, but I will just slightly curve it. So an oval like that. And then we'll do a neck of the bottle and going downwards to that little end. I'm just gonna curve it, look at it like that, just to see, to make it somewhat symmetrical. I decided to do a little bit elbow grease today and give it a go, try to make it symmetrical like this. So we'll see. I think it's fairly okay. So now the top like that, and we will do a cap here, so it's gonna be open bottle like that. And we do have some potion inside, so we'll do that, and we will make it look as though it has a fat glass. So I will just do one more like that, and here it's actually gonna be even more fat downwards like that. We have this curve. I think it's somewhat okay. We'll see when we start inking it. I have a lot of lines now here, again looking for that 0.5, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be symmetrical, but you know, let's just go with it. Even if it's not, you know, it doesn't matter, it's not that important. So the first line, the outer edge, and then the second line for that thick glass like that. And then do the other side like that, and then the other line for the thick glass like that. Then we have our potion inside like that, and this cap on top, and then like that. So that's our basic shape done. I will just erase that, erase my pencil, so I can see what I've done. And as I said in some of my previous videos, by all means not an expert in drawing and inking. Everything I do with my watercolors is just basic inking, and this is a step further. I don't think it's anything special, just a step further, because I do really want to improve and do a little bit more of the drawings. So like that, it actually looks pretty decent. So now we'll do a little bit more of the inking, and I'm just gonna look how I did that on my sketch, and I'm gonna add that little sticker, and I'm gonna write on it potion, but you don't have to. You can write whatever you want, or don't make it at all. So potion, like that. And then we're gonna do some inking here and here also on our bottom. A little bit something is cooking here, so I'm gonna add a few lines there, making it look like something is cooking there. Then a few here, like that, just beneath our cap, or actually the top, not the cap. This is the cap, I believe. Like that. So this one, this is that cork, like that. Some dots on it, maybe some dots in our potion also. Who knows what's swimming in there, what we put in our potion. So like that. Like that. So I'm not sure whether I do want to add a lot more ink here. Because, you know, I don't want to go overboard with the ink. Just maybe a few lines here. Some reflection. Like that. And I will do some very, very light lines going here, like that. We have maybe some, who knows what's there, cooking in there, like that. Like that. And also maybe here on the ground, some of it spilled. So we're gonna do some maybe spillage there. Like that. There we go. And now we're just gonna write here. This is potion, bottle, and that is October 5th. There you go. Now I will just add a little bit of the color there. I'm gonna use again today from Viviva color sheets. These are super on the go, like you just grab them and you paint. This one is called Burgundy. I'm gonna use a little bit of the burgundy. I'm gonna make my potion in a very, so just adding water to the part where the liquid is, where the potion is. And I'm gonna get a little bit of that burgundy, just a touch. Here is gonna be, ooh, I love how it just goes, fills that. Like that, a little bit of the burgundy. Then I will get just a little bit, I do have some olive green here, so why not add a little bit of the olive green, a light wash. Leave some parts also white, and again burgundy, a little bit more of that burgundy for the top, like that. So again I will add it even more here on the edge and a few drops on this side. Love that. And I do have some browns here. This is called tree bark brown. I'm gonna get that brown just to place it here on the darkest spot in our potion. This is super fun. This is like a coloring. Did you do a coloring book when you were a kid? Write it down in the comments. I definitely did. I love those coloring books. I could just do them all day, all day long. Like that. And I will also get a little bit of that. This is Happy Yellow. So for the cap, ooh, this is very yellow. I'm gonna get that brown now and just do like that. And I do love the, from the other set, I do love that burnt sienna, so I will just add here some burnt sienna like that. So also a little bit of burgundy, because we had our potion running down here. So we will just add a little bit of that potion color, and I will add, I do have, as I said, a little metallics here. Some of the metallics, I'm gonna get a little bit of the blue and add that metallic blue. It will also mix with our burgundy, but also add a touch of shine. So I'm gonna paint my potion sign with that, like that. And also I will use it for the bottle. A little bit of that blue and a little bit of that brown color, tree bark brown. Mix it in together to create somewhat a grayish color. to make that bottle a little bit of the darker, maybe blue. This is called Midnight Blue, and some indigo blue. Now I'll get that midnight blue better, like that, to create a little bit of the blue grayish color, and just add that on the side here and there, on the side of our bottle, like that, and here on the cap. Maybe some more here, like that. Nice. I like that. So this one turned out to be maybe two one same wash for me, so I'm gonna just get a little bit more of that burgundy, or maybe not, just get a little bit of the green. To go around. Very light wash. Can you even see that wash? Green, I believe you can. Like that. And here where the potion is, I will get again a little bit of that blue and just add a couple of, like that. There you go. Now do a few splatters. On this side particularly, and we're gonna leave this side whiter, and again a little bit of the burgundy, and add a couple of drops of that. There you go. I think I like that just fine. And you know what? I don't want to overcomplicate. Well, I'll dry this first. And I'm just looking at it right now, and I see that I have tilted my bottle, but I haven't tilted the liquid inside. Oh God, so it doesn't really look tilted, does it? But it doesn't matter. So maybe if you did not paint by now and you're gonna do it, just tilt make your, of course, even to the ground. If this is the ground, then the liquid should go like that. That would be preferable. This is actually pastel, white titanium oil pastel, I believe it is. And I will do just a few highlights. You can do them with also white gouache. Just a few highlights here and there. Maybe some like that. And also in our there you go, nothing special, just a couple of dots like that. So as I said, just make sure if you do this, just tilt also your liquid inside your bottle. It will look a little bit more believable. But let's say it just should stand like this. So if in that case it's fine, only the liquid here, we don't see the rest. So I'll just say it that way. So guys, I do hope you like this one, and maybe you're gonna again give it a try. Actually, I'm gonna do just one more here, like there you go. We're now done with the day 5, and I hope you like it. If you do like it, please hit the like button, share it, comment. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Maybe consider joining my channel. That's that join next to the subscribe. And also, if you're enjoying this, appreciate this Inktober series, you can also say thanks. And there is a thanks button now as a new feature on my channel. Click on that and you will get a little bit more info. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!